Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer photos and videos from iPhone to Mac with a USB cable. All right, let's begin. First, connect your iPhone to your Mac using a USB cable. Plug one end into your Mac and the other end into your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and on the home screen after connecting it. Once plugged in, your device should begin charging automatically. If this is your first time connecting the iPhone to the Mac, a Trust This Computer pop-up may appear on your iPhone. Tap Trust and enter your passcode to continue. This allows the Mac to access your photos and videos. Next, open the Photos app on your Mac. You can use Spotlight Search if needed to quickly find the app. Inside the Photos app, look at the left sidebar and select your iPhone under the Devices section. Your photos and videos will begin loading onto the screen. From here, choose the photos and videos you want to transfer. You can select individual files by holding the Command key while clicking, or drag your cursor to select multiple items at once. You can also import everything using the Import All option. Once ready, click Import Selected to start transferring the files to your Mac. So that's basically how you can transfer photos and videos from iPhone to Mac with a USB cable. That's it for this video. Thanks.